Hi, this is Kim Souza. Today I'm going to show you how to create a template in GetResponse to send your emails. This will save you a lot of time. So first I'm going to log in. Okay, over here I'm going to click on these dots and choose email marketing, and then my templates, and then over here this blue button, create template. I'm going to name it training test. Next. And then I want to use a blank template. So click right there. And then this one right here, blank template, use template. Okay, now I don't want a logo at the top because a lot of people don't have images enabled in their email, and then your email would just start way down on the screen. It would look funny. So I definitely don't want an image right here at the top of the email. So I want to get rid of that. And I'm going to do that by clicking over here on message style and then clicking on header. And then where it says show view online link right there, click that blue dot. And then show logo, click that blue dot. And so that got rid of it. So now I'm going to click layout to go back to these choices here. And the first block I want is text. So I'm going to click on text. Just click with my left mouse button and just hold it and drag it over here and then click. And now, see, use this block to add text to your message. So I'm just going to type some words in here as a placeholder for this template. So this is where I will type an awesome email. Hit enter. I will get lots of sales with this. So whatever you want to type there, just as a placeholder. And then I'm going to highlight that and go over here and choose the size. I like to make it a 16. So it's whatever your preference is. So now I want another block of text under here. That'll be the salutation where you'll say, sincerely, make it a great day to your success, however you normally talk, however you normally would sign an email. So when I click on back, click on the text again and drag another box over, click, and make it a great day. And then I'm going to go click back again. And now I want an image under here. So I'm going to click on image, drag it over. And you don't have to put an image here, but I choose to put it at the close to the bottom of my email. So I'm going to click on browse. If I didn't have one here, I would click add file and go choose one from my computer. I already have one, so I'm going to click use. And see, when you do that, it could be too big. So I'm going to go over here where it says width and height, and I'm going to change this, just delete that. I'm going to make it 150. See, that's much better for an email. But it's in the middle, and I want it over on the left. So I'm going to click this box right here, and that moved it over. Now, I don't want the unsubscribe link to be right there. I want a little space. Plus, I might want to use a PS. So I want another text box under here. So I'm going to click on back, click on text, and drag that over here. Click again, and just like PS ... and then hit enter about 6 times, and then put 2 dots, decimals, and that holds this blank space so that whether or not you use a PS, you've got this blank space in here, and your unsubscribe link will be scooted down a little bit below your email. And then that's all there is to it to make a template. And so when you go to send an email and you choose this template and you just change your text, if you want a PS, you put it in here, or you just delete that. And it saves you time, and it's formatted where it looks really well on the phone or the desktop because it's already set up with the width, I think, of 600. So it's formatted correctly, so it'll look really good, and it'll save you time if you just use this when you send an email. And I'm going to click back and show you one other thing. If you wanted to insert a video or make a separate template for when you send out videos, like you do YouTube marketing and you want to send a video out to your list, you just click on this video instead of image or text. Just click on video and drag it over and then click enter. And see over here, video URL, then you put the link to your YouTube video. And it would show the thumbnail here. It looks really cool in the emails because it brings up your thumbnail and the image as an image, clickable image in your email. So it looks really good. But I have made two separate templates that I use, one for videos and one without the video. So this is a template that I would use without the video and make a separate template for the YouTube videos that I send out. So I'll just click save and exit. That's all there is to it. It's really simple. Create your first template and it'll save you time when you do your emails and they will be formatted correctly. Make it a great day.